Hello, this is Tanisha Roda and I welcome you to Aarsun again. Today we have 6 beautiful high-back chairs and 3 coffee tables which is in teak wood and antique gold paint. I am sure you have seen these chairs in palaces and royal themed hotel. This chair can also be used as stand-alone unit or you can use these chairs in living room, in lobby and as a master chair for yourself. So if you're looking for something grand, something beautiful like this, then please contact the number is right here. And for more design, you can visit our website arsonwoods.com. There is a dedicated section for high back chairs. From there, you can choose your design and send to us. We will deliver it to your home in India and out of India, wherever you are. So please contact. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.